Welcome to the channel, everyone. Have you ever wondered if the universe is actually made of music? Or if everything around us is simply a vibration we can hear as a melody? In today's video, we're going to dive into an incredible theory called string theory, which attempts to explain it all. We'll break it down in a way that's super easy to understand, so stick with me. String theory is a concept that suggests the fundamental particles that make up the universe aren't little points but more like strings or chords that vibrate. Think of them like the strings of a guitar. The faster the string vibrates, the heavier the particle that forms. So, you can imagine the universe as being filled with all kinds of music created by these vibrations. But how does it work? Let's take a closer look. String theory emerged because many phenomena in particle physics couldn't be explained by previous theories. For example, in relativity and quantum mechanics, tiny particles like electrons are hard to understand with traditional approaches. But with string theory, we can view them as vibrations in a 10-dimensional space. Yes, 10 dimensions. So, even though we only experience 3 physical dimensions, string theory suggests there are many more dimensions influencing how the universe works. What's fascinating about string theory is that each string has its own frequency, much like a musical instrument. Did you know that all the sounds we hear, from thunder to music, are actually vibrations? In this case, the universe could be thought of as one big orchestra, where each particle plays a specific note. And this isn't just a theory. Some physics experiments are trying to confirm that the universe really does operate like a symphony. However, even though string theory is incredibly interesting, it's also quite controversial. Some physicists can't fully prove this theory because we can't directly observe or measure strings. Plus, the theory requires extra dimensions that are tough to confirm through practical experiments. But despite that, string theory gives us a completely new perspective on how the universe might function. So, is the universe really made of music? Maybe we'll continue to search for the answer. So, that's a brief overview of string theory. While there's still a lot to learn, this theory opens up new doors for us to explore how the universe works at its most fundamental level. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about other scientific topics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share this video with your friends who are also curious about physics and the universe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.